gonna try to start calling you guys that. So today I'm here with, and today we are mixing all my slimes. You guys have wanted me to do this for a long time, but I have not wanted to because they're my babies. My baby. Like, I'm gonna be so sad, but I'm doing it for you guys because I love you guys. Anyway, let's start. Wait, what did I even do again? It's sticky because I haven't played with this in a while. Yeah. Oh my god. Guys, why did I do this? Oh, you can feel the butter slime in there.
Can I mix it?
Yeah, one sec.
I think it's gonna make like pinky orange. Like look how much the orange is showing up.
Whoa, it's taking over.
You can feel the butter slime.
Please don't be an ugly color. Oh no, the blue's taking over.
The blue and the orange, oh no.
What has this become?
It's gonna be like the color of your last one.
Oh no.
That color was horrible. Oh my gosh.
Okay,
We should not have done this.
no, it's good, it's good.
We can try to fix the color. Okay,
I didn't think it would make a blue. We only had one blue in there.
Two blues.
I'm just kidding.
This is like grayish, greenish, bluish.
Holding it. Okay, we'll each make.
You're the biggest slime hog in America.
I know. America. Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
You farted. Trying to make it blue. That might have worked.
Well, too late now.
Let's just see if a little piece works. Cause like there'd be a lot of paint. It looks like a shark just like bit into it. The shark is hungry.
Hungry shark.
Look at my hands.
Actually.
You got me good.
Red-handed.
Caught me
Red-handed.
purple-handed. Really in that camera.
Oh.
Those people are like, what the heck?
Yeah.
What if it stayed like this? It's not going to though.
That'd be cool.
Smells
Is
weird.
there any other purple paint?
Yeah, right there.
Okay, it's kind of purple. Making progress.
Ew, it's so ugly now.
Maybe if we put blue in it. No, I'm kidding. What's this?
It's just glitter, don't open that. It smells really bad.
Just a little bit.
Should I add blue?
Purple. It's purple.
Should I add blue?
Mia! It's gonna turn it back to what it was before.
No, it won't.
Are you
I hope it won't. It won't.
Okay. You can keep the.
Let me just mix
Doesn't
it.
smell that good.
Ta-da! Blue-handed.
Put it on your face. I dare you.
No.
I dare you. Mia, we could be the blue and white girl. I mean, not the blue and white, the blue and red.
Comment down below whose color is better. My color?
Or
What?
or my color.
Comment which color.
Wait, I gotta get up close. No! No! My baby!
Thank you guys so much for watching this slime video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you liked it. Please give this video a thumbs up because I did not want to do this.
Oh yeah, and if she gets 100,000,
I'm dumping this all on my head.
dump it on her
I'm
head.
gonna have to like shave my head after. Oh my gosh, like my hair is gonna be destroyed. I hope you enjoyed this video because
It's every week.